Hi guys, I'm back with another gel polish mani. So I have some full coverage nail tips here. And I'm going to be using gel products from 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉. So here I have the base coat. And 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉's products are vegan, cruelty-free, TPO-free, have a 21-free formula, and they are HEMA-free and have a 12-month shelf life. So we're going to go ahead and get into this application and apply a thin layer of base coat to all nails and cure for 60 seconds in an LED lamp. And so I had to look up what TPO was because I noticed that that's been on their labels for a while. And pretty much TPO is a chemical compound that helps to cure the gel polish. And it's been banned in the UK for a while in the EU. And so now those, and they have been known to cause issues. So that's a good thing. And so I'm going to be using three colors here: Bold White, Magic Night, and Perfect Red from 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉. And this is a Memorial Day mani in remembrance of those who have lost their life serving our country. And so two nails are going to be red, one nail is going to be blue, and two nails are going to be white because we're going to be doing some nail stamping. So I'm applying a thin layer of that to all nails of each color, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for a full 30 seconds. And when I finish, I know there's a little tab at the end of each nail. I'm going to file that off when I file the nails before I put them on. So here are the nails after the first coat of color. I'm going to go in and apply a thin second coat of color to all of the nails and cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And I am a VIP member with 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉, meaning I pay $29 a month and I receive a $29 credit. And you don't have to make a purchase every month. You can allow that credit to build up, kind of like a penny bank for your gel polish purchases. And so I do have a discount code that'll be in the description box below for non-VIP members. If you use my discount code, I will receive a credit through 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉. And so after I cure the nails for that second coat, I'm going to go in and apply Velvet Matte top coat to the white nails. I did that off camera and cured for 30 seconds. And here I'm using a plate from Clear Jelly Stamper CJS62. This plate is Independence Day. Since this was a Memorial Day mani, I decided to use this plate. And so I'm using three colors from Maniology: Bam White, Twinkle Toes, and Cherry Bomb. So a white, a blue, and a red for the nail stamping. And so I have my nail stamper, my sticky pad to clean my stamper, and a scraper card. And so I'm going in with the color Cherry Bomb. And I'm going to use the two images in the upper right hand corner, the bigger stars and the little stars. So I'm going to stamp the bigger stars in the color Cherry Bomb and the little stars in the color Twinkle Toes, which is the blue. Now when I first stamped this, it didn't line itself up well because those nails are kind of long. And so when I went in to stamp, now the first image stamped well, but when I went in to stamp the second image, I didn't line it up right because they're just pretty much diagonal on the nail. And so I did fix that off camera. And in between each image, you do want to clean your plate with acetone to make sure that you get a crisp image every time. Now the first time I picked up these little stars, they didn't pick up well, and so I cleaned my plate off and picked it up a second time. And I don't know if you picks up on camera, but those little stars didn't they weren't solid. Some of them were missing color. And so I'm just going in and repeating that process. So as I mentioned, I fixed that nail off camera. I'm going in with the second nail. I'm going to use that faded flag. And so I'm stamping the first part, which will be in blue. Kind of stamping that on the nail. And then I'm going to go in with the red and stamp the stripes. And for the finishing or the third part of that image, I'm going to stamp that in white. And I thought it looked well on the nail because it was white. And again, it's like a faded flag, excuse me, image. Here we go with the third image with Bam White. And I tried to line this up as best as possible. Sometimes with layered stamping, it's kind of hard to get those things lined up right. And I am an affiliate of Maniology, Clear Jelly Stamper, and Madam Glam, and I'll link all or list all discount codes in the description box below. So I'm going in with Madam Glam's No Wipe Art Gel. You can use this for a number of things. You can encapsulate with it, you can apply rhinestones with it, and a few other things. And so I'm going in with the microblading stick, and where I'm placing the rhinestone, I'm just kind of dotting the product there, and then I'm just going to place a red, blue, and a clear rhinestone on each nail, and then I'm going to cure it in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. So after I applied the rhinestones to all of the nails and cured, I noticed some was on the nail because I didn't want to reapply another layer of matte top coat. So I used the alcohol wipe to remove any of that no wipe art gel that's on the nail before I cured. But I did end up going in and applying a second coat of matte top coat. And I usually don't like matte nails because they leave a weird texture on the nail, but I did keep these matte. And so here are the nails finished after that curing. And so I'm going to go in and file that tab off of the tip of each nail, and here they are on. Here's the finished look. I thought they were nice and perfect for Memorial Day. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is still free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.